a second. I think that,
Oh, well, I got only a phone, so
Gabe, actually stay quiet during the whole thing because I want to record this.
I'm recording it too.
Rochester, 68 at Mankato, 60 at Brainerd, and 61 at Bemidji. At International Falls, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 54. Around Wisconsin, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 68 at Wausau, 72 at Madison, 70 at Green Bay, and 72 at Milwaukee. At Rice Lake, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 68. It was cloudy with a temperature of 68 at Eau Claire and 72 at La Crosse. Across the eastern Dakotas, at Fargo, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 64. At Sioux Falls, rain was falling with a temperature of 59. At Watertown, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 71. In Iowa, at Sioux City, rain was falling with a temperature of 67. At Des Moines, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 77. At Mason City, it was cloudy with a temperature of 69. Once again at 1 p.m., in the Twin Cities, it was 65 degrees under partly sunny skies.
Whoa, special weather statement.
This is where the radio station
they received the watch, but they haven't sent it out because apparently they have to manually send out the watches.
2.550 megahertz.
Is it gonna go off?
Yeah, once they manually send out the watch.
Okay, because I've been recorded for one. Oh wait,
Kind of weird.
I shouldn't worry.
From the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota. And transmit from the KSTP Eyewitness News Television Tower in St. Paul.
Who do you think should manually send it out?
The current time is 1:59 p.m. Central
Probably
Daylight
Grant
Time.
Forks.
Oh.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 355 effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Minnesota: Aloka, Carver, Chisago, Dakota, Purdue, Finnegan, Granby, Scott, Washington, and Wright, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Pierce, Polk, and St. Croix. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and